Let me see what carrots I can harvest today. Okay. I look very little, but I'm gonna pull those up that I can. I see it. Look at you back here. Look at that, a handful of carrots. Okay, y'all looking good. Okay, carrots. Oh, wow. Okay, carrots. That's a nice size. Yes. Got a lot of little small ones there. Look at you, you look nice. Okay, I see some more that I'm gonna pull up. Okay, let me finish harvesting these carrots. Let's see what we have here. Okay, carrots. Looking good. Yes, you are. Add you to the bucket. Yes. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, come on, carrots. Look at y'all. Y'all looking good. Okay. Yes. Look at that. Oh, boy. Okay, more carrots. Harvest in Big Mama's garden. Let me see what this next bunch of carrots look like. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, boy. Y'all looking good. Look at those carrots, y'all. Oh, I think this may be my best carrot harvest yet. Okay. Okie y'all looking great. There's some little small ones. They still edible. Yes, look at that. Look at that carrot. Okay. Bugs Bunny carrot. Okay. Get some of this fuzz off of y'all. Roots that's still hanging on you. Okay, look at here. I have a basket full of carrots that I've harvested so far. Looking nice. Yes. Let's see what this carrot bed looks like. Okay, carrots, come on. Look at that. More beautiful carrots. Yes, grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes. Look at this. Oh boy, they come in all kind of sizes and shapes too. Not like the ones in the grocery store. Okay. That one kind of got ate up. I'll throw that one out. these roots that's grown, still growing on it. Get them cleaned up real good, chopped up, and put in my freezer. Look at that. I'm gonna have a bucket full of carrots soon. Looking nice. Okay, let's go over here, see what this one here look like. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This one here didn't do too good, but I got 2 out of that area. Look at that. Okay. Put y'all in the bucket too. Let's see, I see one more over here. Okay. And let's see, one little one here. Look. These 2 little ones there. Okay. That's all for that bed. Let's see what the carrots look like in this bed here now. Okay, carrots. Come on, carrots. Okay, look at y'all. Okay, Bugs Bunny carrots. Looking nice. Yes, yes. Little ones there. Okay, let's see what's here. Okay, carrots, come on. Look at y'all. Y'all look nice. Okay, carrots. All filling up here in the basket. Good. Okay. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You look like you may be a big one. Okay, carrot. Yes. Okay. Okay, carrot. Looking nice there. Looking nice. A lot of little small ones hooked to you. Okay, my carrot harvest looking nice this season. Let's see, I think I have some more over on this side too. Okay, I have some more over on this side too. Okay, come on, carrots. Let's see what y'all looking like. Oh, y'all kind of stuck down in there. I want to break y'all off in there. Let me go get my little hand shovel. Yeah, y'all stuck down in the soil. I don't want to break you off, so let me get this hand shovel here and try to see if I can pry you up a little better. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, you kind of long there too. You were deep down in that dirt. Okay. Clean y'all a little bit. Got a long little tail there on you. Okay, carrot. Looking nice there. Let's see what your friend over here was looking like, that was over here by you, stuck in the soil too. Another little one. Let's see, dig you up here. Ooh, you way down in there. Okay, let's see what y'all look like. Come on, carrot. Okay, a handful. Yes. Nice carrot harvest this season. Yes, you are. Oh, boy. Okay. Carrot harvest out of Big Mama's garden. Looking nice. Yes, looking nice.